Yes, right now it's okay. So I think we should start. So
Yes.
first of all, very good afternoon. And how are
Yeah.
you doing?
I'm doing pretty well. And whatever.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also as fit as fiddle. Thanks for
Okay.
asking.
Yeah. And thank you so much giving me your valuable time.
No,
Yeah.
no, no,
And
no.
I'm so
It's
happy.
also my opportunity that I'm talking to you because
I'm,
every person is a most valuable person, and every person has most valuable time.
yeah. Yeah, and I'm inspired by you.
Okay.
Yeah, when I started my channel, then didn't want to make video by face. But when
Okay.
I saw you on YouTube, then after that I decided to make video by face and to improve my speaking skills.
Yeah, that's great. That's great you are doing. And first of all, I'm very thankful to you that you have started watching my videos and you just got motivation and you are right now you are so comfortable in having video sessions. So we are meeting for the very first time. So I would like to know something about you.
Okay, yeah, ma'am. Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kalpana, and I have done my Master of Art in English at B.Ed. I am a homemaker as well as I run a YouTube channel, and I have a kid. Yeah. So, and my interest is singing, dancing, listening music, and reading books which is related in English. So that's all about me. Yeah.
Yeah, you
So
have so
please,
many qualities. It's very nice. It's a really nice introduction. So let me introduce myself. So as you know that I am Yashoda, and as far as my academics, so I'm intermediate pass, and currently I'm living in Koshambi district, which is situated in Uttar Pradesh. And just like you, I'm a housewife, homemaker, and I'm a YouTuber, just like you. And I'm also learning English language, just like you. We are both on the same boat.
yeah, and you are inspiration for all who are
Yeah,
who
it's
are
my
learning
privilege.
this language.
For this, I'm just thinking I consider myself that I'm so fortunate for this.
Yes,
That God
yeah,
has given me this opportunity to motivate all the housewives.
yes, yes. Can I ask some question?
Yes, why not?
Uh, what do you do to get real happiness?
Okay, what do I do to get real happiness?
Yes.
I just try to love myself. The way I am, I'm very good. I don't need anyone's concern. The means I'm good or bad, I'm beautiful or not, because I'm a kind of a person who never used any kind of makeup on her face, and still I'm just like the same. And yeah, even my husband, he sometimes he just says me like this, you're a kind of a person who have no idea about how to apply makeup, how to be beautiful, how to wear dresses in a good way. So I say, okay, the way I am, I'm just okay because I love myself, and this is the thing which gives me happiness and which makes me unique from all the person. And yeah, the
Okay.
other thing which makes me happy is helping others, because there are three dogs out of my house. There are three stray dogs, or in the morning time or in the evening time before my dinner, after cooking my food, first I give them a roti, means bread. So at that time when they shake their poochie tail, so I feel so happy.
Yeah, ma'am. So, and what is your strength?
Stress.
Strength. Strength.
Strength. What is my strength? Okay. So my strength is my husband. and yeah, my husband and my God. Because
So
whatever
it's
I am, just because of my husband and my God. Yeah, God helped me every time. And the reason why I started working on YouTube, just because of my husband.
just
Because
great.
I always wanted to help my husband financially as well as personally. Because a
So if you,
person who is really completely break down, okay, so he needs a person who just motivate motivate him and who just inspire. So I did this thing in my past time, and but after putting so much effort, he couldn't do any kind of things in a good way. So yeah, then I started working on myself. Means I got to know about this thing, that only inspiring others, it's not going to give you any kind of result. So you have to also do something, whether you are a man or woman, but at least try to do something by yourself. Don't always depend on your husband.
yeah,
Yeah,
yes, ma'am.
I think
Yeah, so
behind yeah, there is a line behind every successful person. There is a woman, and behind every successful woman there is a man. And for a housewife, it's definitely it's our husband. Sorry.
no, it's okay. Yeah, so if you have a question for me, then you can ask.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can ask.
May I know about your journey, how to start speaking?
Yeah, let me tell you about my journey. So when I started my journey, so at that time, still I have no one. At that time, I had no one to speak. But I just because of I was captivated by this language. So then I started learning this language. And but I was a kind of a person who didn't focus in the very beginning in my initial days only in grammar, because I had knowledge about grammar in my school times. I got to
Yes,
know about all these grammar rules. So at the very time when I started speaking, so I just started only speaking. And in initial days, it was very difficult. So then I was looking for so many videos, and then I got to know about, means before speaking, we have to consume a lot of content. And for this purpose, I started watching cartoon videos, animated stories videos, and yeah, also some kind of serials and episodes in English for 10 minutes or for 20 minutes. And then after Alina Rai's ma'am is over there. And there's so many YouTubers, just like English with English Connection, means Kanchan ma'am, Sartaj sir.
yes,
There are so many YouTubers. I started following all of them. And in this way, I learned phrases. And yeah, I also had the knowledge of grammar. So then I started just speaking in front of this camera, because I got to know about one problem of all learners. Even though they are a proficient English speaker, but just because of they don't have that much confidence to speak in front of this camera, so they feel like that they are not good. They are not good enough. So first I started overcoming my this fear, and in this way, after some time, I just gave myself a challenge. Now this is a challenge. Now you have to do this for you. And yeah, in this way, first I overcome my this camera fear, and then my calling fear on audio calls, and then on video calls. And let's see what will be the next challenge for me.
yeah, that's a great journey.
Okay, so you also have you also visited kind of a Delhi city or Mumbai city?
No, I never.
So you
Yeah.
you are wishing that you wish to
Yes,
visit that place,
yes,
and
yes.
out of
When
this
I
country.
get out of this country, yes, if I get chance to go anywhere and out of country, then I definitely go there. I will go
Okay.
there.
So have
Yeah.
you ever got chance to talk with the South Indians?
Yes,
South
I have.
Indians.
Yes,
Okay.
I have
You talk to them in Hindi or in English?
in English.
In English. Okay. Because I think I had one of my friends. Okay, she's from South India, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and if I ask her to speak means Hindi language, so he speaks only "मेरे को हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा आता," not
Yeah,
more than that.
yeah. One of my friend, he
Yeah, that's why South Indian they are very good in English.
yes,
And I think most of the, I think around 70% people of South India, sorry, they speak only English language, and rest of them they speak only their mother tongue.
yes, yes. They only able to speak in their mother tongue and English.
And what
Uh,
is your favorite? What is your favorite dish?
my favorite is curry chawal, curry and
Curry.
rice.
Okay.
Yeah,
And what is your favorite movie?
favorite movie. It is
In your
difficult to
in your
say.
pastime. In your pastime.
Bhagwan.
Bhagwan. Yeah, that's also a lovely movie for me. I
Yes,
have
yes,
watched it even the time, I think around 7 times I watched that video, and every time I start cry. I start crying. I cried a lot.
yes, yes. Because the story is very nice.
Because this is reality. This is
This
reality
is
of this
yes,
world.
yes,
Nowadays this thing happens in our
yes,
families, not in my family, but there are so many families are there. In their family, people after getting married, they just forget their parents. They have no
yes,
regards towards their parents, and they don't even think about them, how they will live.
yeah.
And children, they
And
just want to live a happy life, and they don't have any kind of responsibility towards their parents, how they will manage every kind of thing, and they just go out of this country and just settle in any kind of place. But and a father and mother, they always live in their native place.
yes, yeah. This is very nice movie. Yeah. So, may I know about your hobbies?
Yeah, my hobbies. Earlier I had different hobbies, but right now I have different hobbies because earlier I was a, when I got this phone at that time I had hobbies of to just watch movies and series, any kind of episode, to waste my time, all in all I can say. But right now I always want to do something productive for me, so I'm always looking for a good content who helps me to enhance my personality, who helps me to learn this language in this way every time when I got this phone. Otherwise there is one of my hobbies, when I get chance or time, when I'm trying to, especially on any kind of function at my home, so I always spare some time to just spend my time with old person. With,
Okay, that's great thing.
I don't know why, but I'm so touching with them. I'm like their ways they talk, and even they teach us so many things. There's so
Yes,
many ladies in my, means all of them, they are just like my grandmother-in-law. So I always spend time with them, and especially only just like marriage function, or only on the occasion of marriage function they come. Yeah, once in a year. So I just want to give my time to them, and I don't want a ladies, we can say ladies group, because ladies they only speak about what is going in your family, what is going in my family. Yeah,
yes, yeah.
but
And
our
when
parents,
you
our grandparents, they always teach us something which helps us to grow in our life.
when you went to Delhi for post for
So,
क्या बोलते हैं, interview on Josh Talk, Then
Yes.
what did you feel that time?
Yeah, I was delighted. I was glad. I was very happy. And it was a kind of a dream which I fulfilled. I achieved that moment. And I was very happy at the time when I was delivering my speech. So I was very nervous, but the people, they were very cooperative. They helped me. And yeah, I also met Mansi Gola there. So yeah, just because of her, just because of her, I was so happy. And even
Okay, yeah,
her kids, they are so naughty. And even the most naughty is the younger one. He's so naughty.
yeah, she is
And
a
just some
very
days,
good
some days
teacher.
ago, I just want to tell you, some days ago, I was talking with Mansi, and her son, the younger son, he was just listening. And he said, I know who is calling. I know who is calling. And he said, I think, what he said, juice wali auntie, I think in this way he said, I know who is
Okay,
calling. Yeah, who drank our juice.
yeah, she knows you very well. Oh, sorry, he knows you very well.
Yes. And every
Yeah,
time when I talk with Mansi, so he just listen it very carefully. Each and every word that Mansi speaks, she also repeat. Means her baby, he also repeats all those words.
yeah, yeah. So,
So I think
mm,
now we should wrap up this session